Hello, we have just signed off our first ever AI policy for the Council. I just wanted to share a quick update on what that means for you and for us at this Council. Firstly, AI isn't about replacing people. It's about helping our staff work smarter by taking care of routine tasks so they have more time to support you. Your privacy is really important to us, and any AI we use follows strict rules to keep your data and our data safe and secure. We also check our systems carefully to make sure they treat everyone fair and equally. And don't worry, humans always are in control. AI helps us make decisions, but it never takes them from us. More importantly, AI is helping us to improve local services to you, from faster responses to better planning for our communities. Residents' needs and the technology available are both changing, so our policy and our approach will be reviewed regularly to make sure we are making the most of the opportunities available, keeping residents and the city at heart of all the decisions we make. And as we do, we'll keep listening to you. Your questions and your feedback will guide everything we do. But as the world changes fast, we need to match that pace to ensure this Council and our services to you are never left behind.